making a French pin for my wife. So I already started milling, just recording now, but this will be a quick 5-minute video. So. Well, the camera died, so I only got part of the turning, but that's the French pin. So this is mahogany with a maple casing, so the inner layer is maple and then the outside is purple heart. So no particular reason for the choices in wood, just other than I thought they'd be aesthetically complementing to each other. So I just wet it down to raise the grain, and I'm going to take a piece of 600 grit paper to it. And I'm actually not going to treat it because this will suck up the pastry oils as my wife uses it, so it's going to be good to go just as it is. So I just have to lop it off here and smooth it up. There she is. Alright, we'll take off the ends here. There she is. Very smooth. Alright, I couldn't present it without bringing out the grain, so I'm going to stick some mineral oil on it. I'm not a turner, by the way. I have a small crappy lathe just for turning small stuff, but this is actually I think probably the first project I think I've ever turned like something I actually meant to keep. You know, I fiddled around with some weird stuff, but this is the first time I've actually turned like an item that I intended to use. So I'm not terribly unpleased with it. I don't know why I'm a lunatic, and I decided to do a segmented turn for my first turning ever, but whatever. Go big or go home. I can't wait for this purple heart. Right now it's really brown, but this will turn purple in about a day's worth of time. Thanks for watching.